Alright, calm down. God damn it. It's delivery day. We got some parts. Woo! And I already started unpacking some of them, but I'm gonna show you what it is. First of all, we got the hugger in forged carbon fiber. This thing is insane. Shout out RPM Carbon. Maybe they can sponsor me for the next build, because this thing wasn't cheap, let me tell you that. Oh well. Next thing we got... Holy hell. Look at this. I surely hope it fits. It should do, because it's the matching part numbers with the OEM, but you never know. I guess we will find out later tonight. And the last part we got is, god damn it, 3 things in one day. Is this thing. Oh, I need to wipe off the table, whatever. It's the Chinese version of the flip and dip. Oh, it looks like a transformer, just like the bike. And it's magnetic. The license plate light, maybe? Guess we'll find out. And this is just the other bracket. So hopefully this is going on tonight. We're gonna assemble everything back together so we can see how the bike looks with the new paint, the new forks. Woo! Who's excited? I am. Time is running out. I need to go to work and I need to hurry up. So we'll catch you in a second. And now it is time to get the MT-10 together. Vad händer?
Yeah boy! Oh, fy fan vad nice. Shit, fy fan.
One part, time for sponsorship. So hopefully, if we have time, we're gonna change these outer fork tubes. And if Billy, Mr. Cape Man, wants to help me, we will see what mood he's in. If I feed him or not, maybe he's grumpy. Den brappar på bra! KTM power. Det är väl en KTM för fan. Var de här KTM när de byggde vinkelhusa?
Ja, alltså de använder 530-motorn, men de har gjort om det lite så att säga.
Det är 570 nu. Big boy engine!
Var den ligger där.
Så man kan åka på wheelie hur länge som helst. Ah shit, they're too short.
Va?
Nej. Same length. Motherfucker! They should fit. Nice. It's the same part number as the OEM. But it did say R1 when I bought it, so it was a gamble. Maybe I can get something back on here. There is plenty of parts. Det är jävligt fet den här gröna, så jag ska inte ljuga. Den är fucking banger.
I'm feeling my way through the quiet, trying to find where I belong. Don't know how far I've got to go, but I know I've got to stay strong. People say I'm dreaming too loud, that maybe I should slow it down. But I can't just sit and wait around. I won't stop till I found. So here I am, still standing, still trying when the night feels long and the road's unwinding. All this time I was holding on and I didn't know how much I'd grown. Here I am, still chasing and fighting when the world feels...
We're done! And it looks insane. How good does this look? Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wee, wow. I'm not gonna mount them today. It's getting late. I'm tired. But maybe Saturday we can start screwing everything back together. The weather is getting real nice, so I kind of want to get it together and go out riding. Best part is that he thinks I'm gonna pay him, but I'm gonna scam him and I'm gonna go home, so whatever. I'm kidding with ya! I'm not a scammer. I'm a broke ass boy. Because I spend all my money on this shit. Ja, om du vill bro. Ja, du kan stå lallish. Som vanligt, du lallar bara. We're back in the workshop. Another day, another wrench. Because I got some help. I'm a wish mechanic and I got Broski over here. Where is he? There? He's the real mechanic. He's the... Exact. He's the mechanic Pro Max Plus. He does everything. I'm not sure what I would do without his help. I would be here with a bike in a million pieces. There are parts everywhere and I want to ride the bike. Look at this. Woo! Yeah boy. So now I need to tackle the steering crowns. I got the lower one on and now I need to torque this one. I already did it. I torqued it to 52 newtons and now I'm gonna lose it completely and torque it to 14. But I don't know where I put the torque wrench. I'm real tired of myself. I put shit everywhere where I don't know where it is. Ah, here it is. Why did I put it here? Trust me, it ain't easy being retarded, but it is what it is. No time to waste. Let's get to it.
keep burning bright. They tell me to lower my sights, that maybe my dreams are too high, but I can't let this fire die. I won't stop till I fly. So here I am, still standing, still trying when the night feels long and the road's unwinding. All this time I was holding.
Halfway there. So it was a little bit fiddly to get all the cables and everything in the right position, but I think this works out. Now I can turn it. It's kind of weird they designed it like this. The cables are actually hitting the screen. And we have an MT-10 SP in the store and it looks the same. A weird design to me, but hey, what can I do? It looks the same. So now I'm gonna change the levers. We don't want to keep those. These are gonna look pretty good. I went with gray ones because I think it's more of like a motocross look. We're getting there. We're almost ready to mount the front forks. So look at this. Woo. I think the color is... Ah, it's decent. It's okay. It's not that bad.
That maybe my dreams are too high, but I can't let this fire die. I won't stop till I fly. So here I am, still standing, still trying when the night feels long and the road's unwinding. All this time I was holding on and I didn't know how much I'd grown. Here I am, still chasing and fighting when the world feels cold, but my heart's still lighting. All this time I was holding on and I didn't know how much I'd grown. Didn't know how much I'd grown. Didn't know how much I'd grown.
Sadly, I can't get much further than this today, but I got the handlebar on, we swapped out the levers, my new gray grips. I think they're gonna look good. And I even raised the handlebar a bit. I'm not sure if you can see it now. I also lowered the bike by like 2 centimeters. The forks are on, but we need to tighten these with Newton, and I don't have the spec right now. I need to wait for the mechanics on Monday to pull up the sheet for me. I really wanted to get the tire back on, so she doesn't need to hang by the frame. But I mean, she's been like this for 2 weeks, so she should be fine. I think it's gonna be good. What do you guys think? We're getting there, we're getting there. And next time I'm marking all the screws and bolts. It's kind of annoying trying to figure out what's going where. So as you can probably tell, the front headlight is off. I fucked up. I was gonna remove it and I thought it was like tightened, but it wasn't, so it fell straight onto the edge here. So I had to call Alex, tell him I fucked up. I need to respray it because it was all scratched up and I can't have it like that. So he has it again. Great job. Great success. Anyway, what can I do? It's just repaint it and move on with life. The tire is on, the fender is on. I kind of fucked up with the brakes though, because according to ChatGPT, my best friend today, he told me to pump the forks before I tightened these ones, whatever they're called. the little bolts down here, and I was gonna pump it, so I pushed the brake. Great success. So I had to remove the brake pads so I could push back the pistons. Probably took me half an hour extra, and now I have to do it on the other side as well, most likely. But I haven't had any lunch today, so I CBA wrenching anymore. It's already like 8:15. I wanted to get the tank on today and these side fairings. I need to lock up the place and head home. And then yesterday I was thinking, like the MotoGP R1s, they have like a golden Yamaha emblem on the tank. But my emblems are on the air intakes beside the tank. So I thought, well, of course I'm gonna have the clean shield there instead of the Yamaha one in gold. When I get those, whatever, forged carbons, how sick is that gonna be? The little clean shield and maybe a little clean logo, like here, just the text, like clean. But maybe we can have something like keep it clean or something. Something nice. Little special edition. Maybe I should put like the clean shield here instead. Like the Olins or Öhlins, as we say in Sweden. What do you think? Drop a comment. Nah, I think I'm gonna leave the forks. They look clean as they are. I don't want to ruin it. Yeah, drop a comment what you think. Tomorrow we get the tank off and the side fairings. And maybe something else. I don't think I'm gonna have time to swap out the rear suspension in this episode, nor the little, what is this called? License plate holder. God damn it! I haven't eaten, I have no energy, and I have no brain capacity left. This little one I had before is completely gone. So I need to stop ADHDing and doing random shit. So today we're getting the damn tank on, that's for sure. And also the side fairings. And I think maybe the hugger. I need to fix the brake caliper on the other side before I do anything. And I need to put in the fuel pump. And maybe, depending how fast I am, maybe I can get these, or can I? I'm still waiting for 3 of these bolts, or 4 actually, all 4 of them, that is holding the entire lamp tower into the frame. So I don't want to cover them too much, because that's just going to be an ass when they arrive. Let's get cracking, see how far we can get. Well. If you've never seen an old man who is tired and needs to eat, this is what it looks like. Anyway, I didn't get as far as I wanted today either. At least the tank is on, as you've seen. And it looks sick. I also mounted this one. Woo. This is where the money is. Forged carbon! Wow. How sick is this build? I wanted to get a bit further today, but sadly it's 9:15 and I CBA wrenching anymore. I feel like I'm missing, I don't know. Either I'm slightly retarded, which I am, or I don't know. These little ones are supposed to be in here. According to the sprängskiss, what is it called in English? The sheet, whatever. But I don't know, this fat little rubber bushing or whatever it is. Like, I guess it's a damper, but it feels weird. It feels like it should be all the way through, because it doesn't sit very well. It says well nut. What do you mean well nut? Whoopa! So I'm probably gonna end the episode right here. I wanted to get the tail tidy on and whatever. I wanted to get all the fairings on. But the next time I see you, she's gonna be fully assembled. All the fairings, everything. And we're gonna go for a first test run. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the build. If you don't, well, sucks to be me. Please make sure that you subscribe to the channel. It's gonna help me out a lot. It takes you 1 second and you can do it right up here. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Peace!